there was already an initial plan about our recognition ceremonies, di ba? And then ingon ko nga ipatawag ron niya mo o magkuan yung anak na ma-honor ba ipatawag din mo balik. Actually, letter man ta ini pada, but I am not confident. Kaya mawagtag mo niya si letter, patabla, no? Mawagtag mo niya suwat, mahatag, patabla mo na ningon ko nga I have to meet the parents taking schedule kay I am part of the Teacher 1 Applicants Committee. I supposed to attend the demonstration sa mga teachers. Wala na kong appeal na ito, magkailang ko, integrado. Nanap din ang hangin. Namangit pag sa buwang application kay I always been part of the ranking selection of teachers na nagtitalisay. Huwag ko i-appeal because importante kay isa na. Kung nanin ko nga, batch 1, pag-batch 2 ka kayo masunod sa conference hall. Initially, we had a plan dito. Karon, we will finalize. The venue is already booked. Southtown Center. When? April 15, 2025. Oras. Magsugod alas 9, dapat you must be there before 9 o'clock. We will start by 9 o'clock. So, ato mong Southtown, malagi pa na mga abli ang mall, pasudlon man mo. There is an alternative entrance for us na nigamit sa ilang function hall. So, by 9 o'clock, we will start the recognition ceremony. Yung ato hangyo, you have your child with you, and you have you, and you can bring another one. Ang ato hangyo, do not bring the entire family. Si Lola, si Lolo, ayaw pagda. Kay life class 5, daan ginagda entire family. No? 7 sila kabuok ng Lincoln Street, pag tayo. So, wala nakalingkod ang upang gilikanan na stapling. No? Ayaw lang sad. Maybe, you could tell them to join you, but sa ceremony venue, maybe ka po lang tingaling duha. No? Kay, ma-over po tayo dito sa venue. Libre ba kayo na ako ang Southtown? No? Siya, asa mo, ato lang tayo dito palikod-likura. Okay. I remember last 2 years ago, last year's Star Month, tinuok, pamilya ang biga. At kung yung ihap, 7 kabuok, ano na, mama, papa, anak, suon, yan na pati tiguang mo, higit ng lula. Pag pictorial na, dungan magbaro. Relative bilay, ayaw sa lintaw na. Ako hangyo, you can bring with you imong partner, minsan ba, tuwa lang mo mabuok, no? Or na tingali para ni ma'am ka, alimang lingkod, pag kumang, kailangan mata, straight to the point, kumang lingkod ma'am, napagilang pag kumang, alimang, sa oras na kapanikap ka, 30 minutes ma'am, kay alas 10, undang na ko ani, then we have the next match. Initially, during our competition, we had a conservative number of grade 7 to grade 9 students. Ang mga mga maestra, tanawa ang class record, third grading ang basis. Wala naman kay target na makita naman na ang running score. Sa third grading, makita na ang final rating sa bata, makita na kung possible ba siya ma-honor o dili. Makita na sa likod ko nila, nag-aay ko running or rough estimate sa inyong section, inside ma-honor, inside dili, based on the third quarter exams. So, nahatag sila. What the students were thinking is actually semi-final examinations. This is the reality. Actually, we ought to give them final exams to those who were not able to pass the total number of scores. So, ang akong gihimo, English, Math, Science, and all other subjects, the total tanang score. So, naabot og mga 200 plus items. And we get the 85%, ikuha, kinsay mga nakapasar, kinsay dili. And it boiled down to, there were only few among the class was not able to get the passing. Ito mayroon kayo, no? Jay, Then nakabuo sa circle na I mean in the room, no? In the room. Examinations. Kaya kung mahatag ka punta, masamot kung kakuul ang mga wakil kapasad, kung masamot kalipay, ang mga mahambog kung mga kapasad, ay sa mga or mga science special class ng mga topics, no? Sa research o sa robotics, katubang pa ang parents nato, no? Parang lupin mo. Now, karon, ma'am, napay-bangko gani ma'am, napagay ma'am. Competition with the grade 10 is 140 students. Kaya karon, the final one, there are already 165. So it's only a matter of 15 students. Kinsiray ipeksya. Kaya yung gamanya. So mauni, we have already booked the Southtown Center. In fact, ang grade 10, umanan silang bayad, and they will be moving up ceremony. By the way, sa dili pa ta mag April 15, you have to let your child first attend. If you are a Roman Catholic, you have to attend the Mass on April 14. A special Mass intended for Talisay City Science High School. Paspilaan, patambungan sila. Yeah, let them also bring their offertory and gifts dito sa church. Yes, salamat Dutang. They will be wearing their school uniform. No wearing of kanang extravagant na dress. Kaya naglili na ito lang, sila naglahi. Like Thanksgiving Mass. We don't use baccalaureate. Kaya baccalaureate kaya ng graduation house. Hindi naman na sila voluntary. Ugma will be their last day. Ang inyong anak, balik pa ugma because they have their practice morning. Practice na sila, silang kanta, ilang action, bilana, di kahuman, ulian na sila ikaunto. So, ang katong mga di-honor, mga non-honors will have their vacation na starting tomorrow. They can go to Boracay, they can go to... So, hindi ko sila ma-appeal sa Goa Recognition Day. So, they can have their vacation na. Pero kamo really pa pwede because you have to attend your recognition day on April 15. Okay? Kaya itong venue is Southtown Center 1. Actually, in fact, yesterday, the other day, April 8, we had our executive conference. Executive conference meaning it should be attended by all school heads with the superintendent. And so, our venue is already commuted and communicated to hit index. So, okay na po na rin. Alas 5, buntag ka ng sugod. Hindi na na. Huwag tayo mga bangko. Wala na ito paso na. Tarpulin na ta. Pero this is tingnan mong afford. Your children will become grade 7 once. They will become grade 8 once. It's part of mga bata tingali eh. Pao na, hindi ko dito, ma'am, hindi na akong pagbuot na Southtown. Sorry din ha, hindi ko ito mo. Dapat kita sa akin. It's because of the parents. It was unanimously agreed during our last General PTA Assembly. It was agreed. It's lang hindi sa grandstand kaya napag-ground ko ng oval naman. So yung picture ay magdaga na nagkuhan na is kayo. Pag yung issue tagpuntag sa iyo, isa po hindi kayo. Init na niya. So ato kita nindot na may hamong gawa, dili nindot hamong gaway nga venue. Okay naman. Ang ato rin mangyo mga moms, ayun pa may pa-Facebook. Kaya naman, dili rin ako'y mauwawan. Aspan ko na, mag-trending ang Talisay Science High. I-gold na nato. Ato i-gold. Sige. 270 pesos. 272 pesos. 300 pesos! Wow, thank you very much. Apa! Nakakatinig ko ha? Yung mag-contribute, 300 pesos to... Lahat sa kayo. Kaya na-treasure, pag-iingat, pre-order, pag-iingat, Pero kumaganahan. Wala, ina po tingali. Anyway, na may listing si Ma'am Venus. Kaya naman, ato naman ang ibayad sa mga mag-ikurin. April 15, your sons and daughters who will have the recognition day ceremonies will have to wear their school uniform. Ayaw itaon pasulupag, nindot na sinina. We wear school uniform. When they become grade 10, they still have to wear their school uniform, but they have their supply, especially made for sci-high, na nakatatak nila ang logo, naka-vinyl, printed ang ilang supply. Pwede balik-balik, ikumalay, nasa sa kasi nila, pwede. Kaya naman, consuming mo na oras. Kung itawag sa imong name, sa name si mong bata, o sa kaka, ikay musulog sa 30 kapitan, na isulti pa sa MC, she will be also receiving an award of Girl Scout, Boy Scout, tanan. She is also an award in the regional, blah blah blah. Tanan, ipagsulog mo na tanan. O sa saka, no? Hindi na makaligyan ng bata. Okay? Para to utilize the time element. Okay? So that the second batch would also get in. Thank you guys sa inyong suporta. And once again, see you on April 14 sa Misa. And then for those who did so na dito, kaya mga dili man Catholics, see you on April 15 sa Southdown Center. We will start at 9 o'clock in the morning. Kung maliit ka, bahala ka. Mabakal, anyway, sumata, saan na lingkuranan? Program, maybe a program, ihatag mo to tomorrow. Yes. Okay, tinawag din ka na. Congratulations! Can you pass by here, katubakan?